So, guys, how are you if you have no money? Don't worry. In this video, we'll talk about how to earn money with Facebook. Okay, do not disturb time. So let's get started, but don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? So guys, first go to Google and search Facebook. And guys, you see up at home people video, but you don't click the any options. You see left pages icon. Click this and you see up create a page option, so click them. And you just read up and your pages is about people to learn more about. Make sure that is also. Guys, after having reading, please give your page name, but research the name, okay? And give your page's category and give a page bio. But how to find your page bio? And go to Google and search Google Bard. And click the first link. And guys, if you want too many options, you click the create new chat, but I am not classic, okay? Second, give a prompt about give me a Facebook page travel bio and use many emojis, so I will give this prompt on description.
And copy once bio. Wait, I am fine like this. Copy this bio and go to your Facebook page and paste the bio on your Facebook page. And guys, click the next. Facebook will give you a step 2. UBST, phone number, email address, city and town, and give here. And click the next. Step 3. Facebook will give step 3. And like Facebook page, profile picture and banner. But this is not time to give, so click the next button and invite your all friends in your Facebook account. So this is time to add image. So go to Google and search beautiful Facebook profile nature picture. So search them and click the image icon and select once. Image, wait, I am find. Oh, like this. This is a beautiful image. So go to your Facebook account and you see right edit option. So cool, check them and click the profile add options and give your this profile picture. And third, again go to Google and search beautiful Facebook banner picture and search them and go to Facebook and give your Facebook banner. So guys, if you want to know how to create shorts and upload Facebook, so comment now. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to change your Google account password. Your online security is now stronger, and you have taken a crucial step in protecting your digital identity. Remember, regularly updating your password is a proactive way to keep your account safe from potential threats.